Okay, this exercise is for controlling your back. So we call it a back stabilization exercise. And you start out by being on your hands and knees. And what you're going to do is try to control your pelvis and moving your extremities without allowing this to move at all. So sometimes we'll put a dowel or a ball on the small of the back so that you can feel that this will stay stable. So you balance that onto your back, and then Jessica, try to move your one arm out in front of you, but don't let anything else move. That's right. And keep breathing normally. And then back down and try to, even on the transition, keep everything solid and stable. And now bring your left arm out in front of you. Perfect. No, there's no movement here. That's perfect. Now the arms are a little easier than the legs. So she just demonstrated that she did it perfectly with her arms. So now she can progress to trying to do it with her legs. So you'll extend one leg out behind you, trying to keep that pelvis perfectly level. Excellent. And it's a little bit of a hold. And now try the right leg. And the stronger you get, the longer you can hold it. Yeah, good correction. So even on the transition from one leg to the other, you want to keep that perfectly stable. Beautiful. A little bit of a hold, and now back down. Okay, so now she demonstrated that she can do this and hold her pelvis stable. So now I'm going to make it harder by having her do one arm and the opposite leg. So I'll get out of the way and try extending your right arm and your left leg. And hold that for a 5-second count. Good, and now try the other side. Nice. Beautiful. And then you keep repeating that until you feel a little fatigued.